Russia having more transportation and occurring during the night as the threat from drones became so high. The darkness did offer some protection for a limited period, but with the increase of night vision drones the threat got more even during the entire day, striking more of Russia's armored vehicles and supply trucks, letting Ukraine's drone army to take out Russian equipment both during the night but continued during the day. Seen here as an ammunition truck had been hit with a fire, burning down both the truck and ammunition, wearing down Russia's capability by constantly targeting their supply chain, leaving less